We all thought 2020 was the year of market volatility, but welcome to 2022. Have you seen the wild movements across financial markets over the past few weeks? Whoa, volatility is insane, risks are high, and opportunities are at your fingertips. Do you know how to make the most of a volatile market? In this video, we're going to talk about market volatility, why it is important, what's happening now, and how to keep calm and trade on. Your heart is racing, palms are sweating, you are restless, you don't know where to look. Markets are up and down, that's just an unusual trading day. Now imagine all of this on a volatile day, all of these crazy emotions on steroids. Volatility in its basic terms is the movements of an asset very quickly down or up in price due to large selling or buying in a very short period of time. Volatility can make some traders crazy, but if you know what to do, you can catch some great opportunities. Which leads me to my next point. Why is it so important? Whether you're a long-term or short-term trader, all eyes will be on the market movements. It's important to stay aware of market movements, even though significant investment risks could be had. It's a time when trends are harder to spot, but when correctly harnessed, it can also generate solid returns for savvy investors. Even when markets fluctuate, crash or surge, there's always that window of opportunity. Day traders are likely to benefit from increased volatility, while longer-term swing traders become more risky as the trends fluctuate. If you are new to this channel, check the link in the description discussing different types of traders. When volatility runs high, so can your emotions. But what are you feeling? FOMO, anxiety, anticipation? What have a checklist to monitor your mind as well as the markets? Are you in a good place? With every trade, you need to make sure you are calm, prepared, and well aware of the risks you will take. If you decide to trade, will you take advantage of the volatile instruments or focus on the ones that are more stable? Whether you decide to go for the more volatile instruments or stick with the more stable ones, you need to keep your risk tolerance in mind at all times. It is easy to get carried away and make your trade just that little bit bigger, but don't. Stick to your plan. A lesson for our technical gurus, this is one of those situations where you cannot ignore the fundamentals. Unless you have been living under a rock, you have heard about all the growing geopolitical tensions between Russia and Ukraine. The world is on high alert. The mounting uncertainty from the escalating conflict in Ukraine has rattled financial markets. With fears rising of the conflict impacting global economy, traders remain cautious and on edge. With so much going on, here are the top movers, shakers that are on every analyst's radar. Oil. One of the biggest movements from the conflict has been oil, which is approaching an all-time high at 147.50, a level not seen since 2008. The global commodity has been on a tear since the UK and US moved to ban Russian oil imports. Brent oil has gained over 40% since the start of 2022. Another big mover is gold. In extreme times of uncertainty, investors tend to rush towards the precious metal. It's now up over 8% this year, trading not too far from its highest levels ever. Next, the S&P 500 has been beaten black and blue and is down over 10% this year. Lastly, in the currency arena, the euro hasn't had a good time. It's weakened against almost every single G10 currency during the same period. For example, it's down by 3% against the dollar year to date. So what have we learned today? Number one, market volatility is super important for traders and you know it's coming. Number two, keep calm and stick to the plan. Don't force it. Number three, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversify your portfolio. Number four, do your research and don't get lost in the sauce. Number five, risk management is your friend. And number six, don't forget the fundamentals. So guys, what are your experiences trading volatile markets and greatest takeaways? Do you trade volatile markets or do you observe from a safe distance? Please let us know in the comment section below. Remember to subscribe, like, share and ring the bell. Until next time guys, thank you.